Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a picture transparent in Google Slides step by step. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a personal project, adjusting image transparency can help your slides look cleaner, more modern, and more professional. Don't worry if you're new to Google Slides. I'll guide you through every step so you can easily make any picture transparent in just a few clicks. Before we get started, please like this video, subscribe to the Think of Mind channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest Google Slides tutorials. Now, let's get started.
Step 1. Open your Google Slides presentation and click on the image you want to make transparent. Selecting the image is important because you need to tell Google Slides exactly which picture you want to adjust. Step 2. Click on Format Options in the toolbar at the top of the screen. The Format Options button gives you access to many editing tools like size, rotation, and transparency, which are all useful for customizing your images. Step 3. In the sidebar that appears, click the drop-down arrow for adjustments. This will show you sliders for transparency, brightness, and contrast, letting you fine-tune how your image looks on the slide. Step 4. Move the transparency slider to the right to increase the transparency of your image. Adjusting this slider lets you make your picture more see-through, which is perfect for layering images or creating a subtle background effect. Thanks for watching.